Hello, I'm going to continue on the Cloud Control 13C setup video. Today's we're going to do is the step 8. The last time, step 7, we already create one cluster. Now we can find what is on this cluster. So-called known host will be the database, listener, or worker homes, cluster database, and also rack the ASM. The system we have the rack systems, therefore 4 nodes, like last time I explained, right? We create one cluster object, the target. So when we have this one, now what we're going to do is we add the other target on the cluster to the OMS to be able to monitor. We do same thing using manually. Later I will show you another way we can do it, but here so we just manually do it. We are set up and target manually. The next one here, is bigger, much easier for you to see it. We select and using guarded process. In the guarded process, you have a lot of choice. Last time we'll pick up cluster, right? HAS. Now we'll pick up database listener or ASM, because this should be on the cluster system. The next screen asks you to find where is location. It could be in the host or cluster. You click on search. It pop-up screens give you all the choice like a host and cluster. Because we're on the rack system, we select this cluster, the PID scan, PROD scan. When you select it, and then you click on next. So this select the cluster will be appear here. When you go next, it's going to start to find what target on this cluster. They are looking for on this all of 4 hosts, because you put in the cluster and were 4 hosts. When they finish it, they're going to find something, give you the list. The list is very long because on this cluster we have 20 database listener, a lot of listeners, also ASM. So here I only show you 3 databases because before I try to add the 20 databases at the same time, it is stuck there for quite long, overnight, not finished. The second day I find some is discovered, some is not. So this time in the production, I'm going to take 3 of them to show you how it works. You select a database. This is one database I already marked. And then the database monitor username will be dbsnmp. You put in the password for this username in database and click on test connection to see if it works or not. If it works, you go next. The next, if everything is okay, then you got confirmation. You said it successfully. Then your database, cluster database, will be appeared in your monitoring screen. Sometimes you have failed network, something like that, but this is, for me, is you just click on continue. Usually it worked. Listener is very easy when you do not need anything else. You click on the listener and just promote it, and then it'll be done. So the next one is ASM instance, because ASM is the storage for worker rank database. On the 4 server, you have 4 ASM instances. This one will be a little bit different from database instance. When you find it, right, what you needed to do is, in database, you have a DBS and MP user as a monitoring user, but on here, the monitor user will be the ASM as an MP user. But it's not normal role. It has to be sysdb, or I also tried sysASM role. Both are working. So the first things you needed to do is you set up your environment to point grid instead of your worker DB home. In that case, you can log in your ASM database as the sysASM. When you log in, you grant these 2 roles to this user, sysASM, sysDBA. And then in the screen, when you find it, discover your ASM instance here, and then you got to put in the ASM SNMP user password here. Select as a sysDBA. When you've done that, you click on Next. The next will be the review. It said, okay, we got 1 ASM cluster instance here. It's have the 4 cluster instance on the 1 ASM cluster. So everything, if everything is okay, no error, you click on the Save. The next one, you're going to get the confirmation. Say, successfully, you save this target. Then you got ASM cluster to be monitored in OMS. So today's general way we show you is on the rank system. How do you do it? For single server, that'd be much easier. You just click on porting something. It's not something like a rank. It's probably most schools not really using their rank. Okay, thanks for listening. See you next time.